What's going on, everybody? Now, a little while back, I went and I broke my handle to one of my favorite hammers. So, what we're going to do today is put a new handle on this head. And what we have here is a piece of hickory. And I'm going to go ahead and make my handle around 15 inches long or so. As you can see, there's a warp in this piece. So, I'm going to go ahead and cut this warped piece out and use this part right here as my handle. So let's get started, let's get some measurements, and go from there. We have a used 35 grit belt to get some of the rust, some of the surface pitting off. Now we're going to the 120 grit belt and finishing off with the Scotch-Brite. Alright guys, got the head cleaned up really nice. Finished it off with a Scotch-Brite belt. Put a nice shine to it. I don't know if you can see, but there's a little bit of leftover epoxy for years and years of epoxy. So let's put it in the vise, hit it with a file, and let's put a handle on it. As we start sanding the handle portion of it, starting off with a nice used 35 grit belt just to get some of the chunk off of it, and then we'll kind of smooth it out with a 120. This hickory is a really tough material, so just be patient with it. Just take your time. Make sure you get the shape that you want for the handle. I'm only hand sanding here to about 400 grit, which is plenty smooth enough for what I need.